following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. You have enough to plan in your life. Let's let something be spontaneous. Let's let a little magic in the bedroom be spontaneous. But if you've got ED, that goes right out the window. Andrew from Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to help. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
We are so glad to have you. So let's talk a little bit about ED. Who's this affected by?
So many men are affected by ED, and probably at younger ages than we think. And you're right, nobody wants to take the pill, plan their intimate life around that pill, go to the pharmacist and have that conversation, and then deal with the side effects the next day. So there's a lot of negatives with that.
We all know that men you guys aren't good planners. Let's just come out and say it. And if you've got this time window, that if you happen to miss it, it just doesn't work. And then also you mentioned it, the side effects.
Yes.
And there are a lot of them.
There are a lot of them. So a man takes the pill for ED. He doesn't know when it will work, if it will work, but definitely gets a headache the next day. So it's not really treating erectile dysfunction. It's more trying to mask the symptoms and doesn't do all that good a job.
And you've got a breakthrough treatment that actually treats the root cause that's causing ED. Tell us about it.
That's exactly right. Most of the erectile dysfunction out there is damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. So our technology at Wasatch Medical, it's called wave therapy. Backed by 50 studies, it does what you see there. It opens up and regrows blood vessels. So it gets the circulation improved enough that we can get rid of the ED. There's no pills, there's no chemicals, and there's no side effects.
And just a few treatments and you're done. No more planning, no more having to go down to the pharmacy. You're just done. That's it.
Right. The Cambridge did a study on this exact question, how many treatments, what they need to do. The average guy needs a few, like you said. They're 10-minute sessions over 2 to 3 weeks. So just think about 2 to 3 weeks from now, what your relationship might look like if ED and pills were no longer an issue.
And think about how long probably a lot of people have been suffering with this issue. And then it could just be gone in, add up that time, like 45 minutes?
That's
if you think about it, just 10 minutes?
Yeah, that's right. 70% of men with erectile dysfunction do not seek treatment. I assume they're suffering and have been for a while. The relationship is suffering. And that's what I love to hear is the men tell us how the relationship and the intimacy improves.
And I'm sure you have so many patients that are just loving their results.
Yes, we do. We treat men from age 20 to age 90 with just about every kind of health condition. The stress melts away when they don't have to time things.
And you've got a special offer. You're making it easier than ever for us.
We are. Call us now during the segment. The assessment exam and blood flow ultrasound is free. You can come in and take the free, by the way, leave your wallet at home, and the gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom is free today as well.
And you don't have to worry. It's completely discreet, and there is no shame in this. This is your relationship. This is your life. It's time to take it back, and call the number on your screen right now. Thank you so much, Andrew.
Thank you.